Hey there, it's Mark from Men Who Bullet. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you are a fountain pen fanatic or even just appreciate a good fountain pen and definitely love some inks, today's video is going to be for you because we are unboxing a glorious box, an amazing box of gifted items that we got. You got some pens and inks from Conklin today. We also got some really amazing pens. I'm really pumped to check out one of them with you specifically from Monteverde USA. And then also we have some private reserve inks as well that I was checking out. Infinity ink, never heard of it before. Really excited to open that up, as well as some quick dry ink as well. Today's video is just going to be the unboxing. There are a lot of things inside of here and I cannot get to them all. We'd be here forever. So we're gonna unbox the things today, and then what I'll do is have some follow-up videos testing out the inks and also testing out the pens as well that I ordered as a part of this. So really excited to get started. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, friend, we got a lot to go through here and not a whole lot of time. We're gonna be doing a review of each of these pens individually, but let's take a look at what's inside of this box. I'm super excited. The first one we're looking at here, I call the Swiss Army of pens. This is a one-touch stylus and it's the tool pen. This has like everything inside of it. It's an inkball version, so it also comes in different versions if you want to have a pencil, a fountain pen, ink ball, or ballpoint. So I got the ink ball, and what's cool about the ink balls is that it works off of a cartridge similar to a fountain pen, except this one has all kinds of other really neat things: rulers, screwdrivers, stylus, a level, and an eraser on the pencil only. So we don't have that on this one here. So let's open it up and check it out. I got it in blue because it looks super awesome. This is just all the details here of everything that is a part of this. The ink ball pen, like I said, has the refillable cartridges that you use along with this, so you can get a lot of different colors and replace when your ink runs out, but it works like a ballpoint pen or a roller ball in the top here. So you don't have a fountain pen tip with this, so it's super awesome like that. All right. So 9 tools in one premium quality writing instrument. So as we mentioned, there's 4 different models: ballpoint, fountain pen, ink ball, which is this, and a pencil version as well. 6-sided barrel. We have the writing point at the one end. Perfect. The ultra sensitive stylus at the other. And then underneath of the stylus side, we have the Phillips and the flathead. So both of those are here. And those just pop in there and click. They hold them pretty well, so you could definitely use this like that if you want to. And then if we take off the top here, you will be able to see where the cartridges would go. So they would just snap on right here. Like I said, we'll be doing a whole review of this. We'll be snapping on a cartridge and trying it out in a future video. But for right now, just checking this out. Here's the level. How level is my table? Doing pretty good. And then the 4 different measurements here for us. So that is awesome. Love that. How cool and utilitarian is that? Excited. There is another ink ball inside of here that runs off of fountain pen ink as well. Let's actually find that in here. Here we go. This one I'm thrilled about because just wait until you see it right here. All right, so this is the Engage One Touch Ink Ball Carbon Fiber Medium Point Pen. So underneath it here, we have all kinds of fun stuff. We have some little cards on these. We have the ink cartridge and the adapter. And we have 2 other ink cartridges here. We have an important warning, which essentially is, hey, this pen contains liquid ink. It can stain. Be careful. We're not responsible if you ruin everything. So all of these things are pretty awesome. So the Engage is a retractable ink ball pen. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to do a whole video on this one. But essentially what you have inside of here, if we unscrew the tip, you'll see the retractable spring. You'll see the roller ball pen tip, but it has a converter here so that you can fill this with your own inks, or if you don't want to use the converter, you can get this. So this already has a cartridge in it, but it has the extension on here, the adapter, because what's really neat about this is after you've loaded it, which again we'll do in a different video just about this pen, it's a click. So you know, it's pretty awesome. So I'm really excited to check this one out all the way. I'm excited to load this one up. I think of all the pens that are in here, this is the one I'm most excited about from a standpoint of like functionality and using something like this every day. We also got some inks inside of here too, so I'm excited to try out some of those new inks in some of these pens. So we've got that one here now too. Let's go ahead and put that away in its packaging. All nice and neat. So we've got those two there. All right, we'll check out this next one. So this is Quadro. This is a 4-in-1 multifunction pen. So this has black, blue, red, also a mechanical pencil with an eraser. So this is like another like daily driver that you could most certainly work with. It comes in a few different finishes: black, silver, brass, or copper. I got this one in silver. Okay, so let's check this out. So really nice barrel here. And then here at the top, you'll see blue, red, black, and 0.5. And so the way this thing works, which is pretty neat, I think, is you hold this pen on like a 45-degree angle and press down. And that should bring up the color that you're looking for. So this should be black, right? So then we press this button to release, right? Now let's hold it at a 45-degree angle, press down, and this should be red. Yep. Release, and then 45-degree angle for blue. How neat is this? And then 45-degree angle for your pencil tip. Now, oh, there we go. It's like, how does it come out of here? So this is amazing. This is amazingly cool. And press it back and it all retracts back up inside of your pen. So this is going to be neat to really dive into the future. This is like a great thing just to have in your backpack, honestly. Gotta love that. Okay, stick that back in here. Wait a second. There's another pen case in here. Oh my goodness. So I did not request this one. Oh my gosh, if this is the pen that I think it is, I'm going to freak out. Oh, I'm nervous to even open it because I had mentioned about this Art Deco pen that they had. And I was like, no, I don't want to be too greedy. They're, sending me all of these things to check out. And I was like, I just want to say it's beautiful. And I have a feeling that this is it. Oh my goodness, it is. Look. Okay. So when I saw this pen on the website for Conklin, I was just like instantly fell in love with it because look how beautiful this is. I had no idea they were sending this. Okay, so this is the Art Deco crest. This literally looks like a magical scepter pen ever. It's a fountain pen. It is oh my God, look at that. Look at that nib. Oh, this is something special. Hold on. And this has a converter in it, right? Yep, it does. And I believe it also works off of cartridges, but I only want to use this for the most magical inks ever. Oh my goodness. Yep, here's 2 cartridges inside of here. Oh, this is just a stunning pen. Oh my goodness. Here's the whole card on it, Art Deco. Oh, we're gonna have some fun with this one. Oh, this needs its whole own video. But look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Okay. I had no idea that was coming. I really did not. It's like a piece of art, right? Like that's not just your everyday pen. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, let's check out what the rest is inside of here because that was an absolute surprise. So now these are all of the inks that I got. So it's from a few different companies here. So, but all kind of housed in the same. So this is another one of the Conklin inks. So I got an antique turquoise here. My daughter's favorite color is turquoise. So I got that for her. Well, it's for me, but like in memory, not in memory. Oh my gosh, that sounded terrible. I got thinking about her. I got that. Then we also have the Preserve inks. These are more cartridges here. The Private Reserve inks are stunning, and I think I did put a few of those on the list because I was really excited about some of them, about what they do. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one over here next. Okay. So this was the Private Reserve ink. This was the Ultra Black Fast Dry. And as a lefty, I think this is super important, right, to have fast drying ink. So we got the Ultra Black Fast Dry. So really excited to take a look at that one in the future as well. Okay, this was a really cool one I was excited about too. This is another one from Private Reserve ink. And so this is called Infinity ink. And the reason that I got this one is because if you put this inside of your fountain pens and you leave your fountain pen out, the ink doesn't dry out quickly. So if I was using, oh my gosh, this stunning Art Deco, and I put this ink in here, if I left the cap off, which is something that a lot of fountain pen users do not do, the ink is not going to dry up inside of this. It'll actually stay nice, so I can put down my pen and then pick it back up and use it right away. So when we do our test of some of these inks here, and I'll put it, I don't put it inside of this one, I feel like, right? Like, just to test it out. It's the only like true like fountain pen that was in here. Oh, can we just for a few more minutes just take a look at how beautiful this pen is? Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. All right, so we've got the Private Reserve inks here. We have one of the Conklin colors here, and then we have some other ones over here too. These are really neat. It's a few different versions of their inks. So there is a set that's called Emotions, and then there's also this Noir colors that are part of this too. So I've got Peace Blue. I've got the Azure Noir. How fancy is that? And then I also got a Smoke Noir, and we got the Love Red for the Emotions. So that's part of like the Emotions pack. Peace Blue, Love Red. And then that was super nice of them. I think I had actually just asked for the Azure Noir, but they were nice enough to also send Smoke. So we've got a lot of inks that we're going to be playing around with. We have a lot of pens that we're going to be checking out. I'm so excited to fill up, well, all of these, honestly. The Click pen, I just am so excited because I feel like this is definitely going to be something I could use a lot because it's retractable and I can still use fountain pen ink in it. I'm really excited for the One Touch, even though this is cartridges. They sent a bunch of cartridges that I can use inside of here, but excited to do a full review on that. This multi-pen is just neat. I just think it's the coolest. And then, honestly, oh my gosh. Like, I just was not expecting that to come. I'm sorry. Maybe we should do a whole video where we just look at this pen and just admire it and just love it because that is gorgeous. So thanks for checking out the unboxing, and we're gonna have some fun and some videos coming up. Don't you worry. I don't have words for how beautiful this pen is. Even if you don't write with fountain pens, there's just such a great appreciation for art. I'm telling you. Maybe just the video I do a follow-up on, we just stare at it the whole entire time, just to look how beautiful it is. I'm really excited for that one, of course. I cannot wait to try out the tool pen. Even just the idea of having a fountain pen, but having this ink ball is really cool. I'm really excited to check out the Engage and like fill up that pen and give it a go. I mean, these inks are really cool. I can't wait to try some of those different Noir ones, get all moody with the ink. ink, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'll have more of these videos coming up over the next few weeks. I just really wanna focus on each one, the special features, and especially if you're interested in potentially picking up any of these pens, I think it'll be really important for you to check it out. I'm gonna try them out first. I'm gonna write with them for a week or two, and that way I can give you a full review of how well it works or how well it doesn't, how functional it is, how not functional it is, and then we'll be able to go from there. If you love unboxing videos, then you're going to love this playlist here where we unbox all types of fun stuff. So go ahead and check that out. I'll talk with you very soon. Happy planning.